TNT, hosted by Drake. And speaking of awards, a very special award being given out for the first time this year. It's the Jeff Van Gundy Award. Here it is. And it's presented to the student athlete who's considered a great teammate, a team leader, intense competitor, and displays a year-round commitment to the team and loves representing Nazareth College.
We're connected.
Golden Flyers, baby.
And the inaugural winner.
There was two.
There were two, including Kieran McCoy. This is Kieran's trophy. A beautiful trophy.
And Gabby Charles. They sent me the bios of these two. They are so accomplished as both students and athletes. It's amazing. It was so good to be honored like that. They need a better name.
Hold on. It's so good for them to be honored with the Jeff Van Gundy Award?
No. For me being on, they deserve a better name by that award. Except I do give them a little bit of money now and then. So it's amazing. Who can get into a school's Hall of Fame averaging 10 points? If you redo their locker room, you get into the Hall of Fame.
And you have an award named after.
That's it, brother.
Are you part of the selection process?
No, they're smarter than that.
So why do they send you the bio?
Just to show me that these two are tremendous student athletes.
In all seriousness.
So for you at St. John's, they would. Oh, that's a beautiful stance. I see you, Schmitty. But at St. John's, if they did the same thing, they'd give it to two average C students.
Wow.
Who had other people do his classwork, like Dave Free.
You mean if they had a Jeff Van Gundy Award?
No, listen. I know how you rolled. Oh, that's a great picture.
All kidding aside, we love to make fun. What a wonderful honor to have.
Yeah, you know what? I love my school.
No, seriously, that is tremendous.
Yeah.
A way to shout out yourself for redoing the locker room.
Hey, by the way, it wasn't like an NBA practice facility either.
We look forward to many years of saluting the winner of the annual Jeff Van Gundy Award at Nazareth College.